Okay, I'm getting mixed emotions. Okay, not mixed emotions, but mixed pictures. I'm not too sure. Umamkulu now is having like a proper decent conversation with Ufaith, like a heart to heart type of a situation. What happened? Mina ngagcina bezondana mos laba boyithu. Kanti kwenzakalani kahle kahle? Okay, not that bazondana. Umamkhulu is the one oza no chef, not wanting the other child. Kube uyena wamrecruit, wamletha lana emakhaya. Sekafika emakhaya, manje umamkhulu sekamjikela. Manje sekafuna ahambile. So now I did not understand. Now on today's episode, she's being very nice and asking, why did you decide to bake for us? Because Ufaith decided to wake up abhake amakhekhe nama-queen's cake, and umamkhulu was impressed, saying, okay, who taught you? She says, my mom did, but we did not have a really good relationship by then. But one or two things I was able to grasp from her, and then when she was teaching me. So now Mom Kulu says, you know what? I also think that I did not really have an easy childhood, because now when I grew up, by the time I grew up, I wanted to go to varsity and I couldn't because I had to marry Ukulubuse. So that actually delayed me. Now I look back into those days, I feel like I have actually robbed myself a very good chance of me going to varsity and actually being educated and being getting something out of myself. That touched Faith a bit, you could see from her face. But then on the background, was partly standing there, and she's not interested in everything that they are talking about, but khona lento le esesifubeni afuna ukuyibhodla, and you can tell from her facial expression who are the pain ungani. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing A House of Zwide. Ndimadekwana, sanibonani, avuxeni, molweni, minjhani, hi pfukile hi nghen'wile. So namuntlha ka nongonoko wa hina wa A House of Zwide hi kuma ku ri swilo swi tshamisekangi kahle, looking at the fact that Molife, oh boy. Molife should just go to Pinky because, I mean, what the hell? So now, Molife first came across this lady, and then he wanted to approach her, but the lady was vendor speaking. And remember, his wife was vendor speaking. His ex-wife was vendor speaking, and then I think for some unknown reason he got triggered, and then ulimi lwavelelwa staka. Kore mafuko hatsi ngwanana motho a shuwe o didimetse ba re hela bolela ba be ba mmetsa ka mabitso, because what do you mean o tlo tla ko pele haka and then o eme and not say anything. Okay, so as he was working out, then he came across the same lady again, and then she's like, oh gosh, wena ungakwazi ukukhuluma futhi, why ungilandelela? Okay, that one passed. But then now Molife got an opportunity to go to House of Zwide and fit some of their luxurious garments that made him look expensive. On his way back home to Tembisa, came across this lady, very beautiful lady, and then for some unknown reason, Basha Sanalapo, things fell on the floor. While they were on the floor, that is where the conversation was sparked and started happening. I don't know how did it get to a point where Mlife started promising this child heaven and earth. Started saying, Usomashishini, he's onto car wash business, and he owns a spare, and then he also have a business, a fashion business. So which means that he said, I'm an entrepreneur with different kind of businesses. He did not say Guti the suit that he was wearing. Bambolegile Guti. He must be like a model of the suit. But no, he said Yena he owns a fashion boutique, and then he's a car wash owner. Also, he owns a spare. And then now, you know what's gonna happen to that child? High hopes. But that girl could have asked, if really you are such an entrepreneur, so mashishini ongaga, kanti wa utama kamoto, koloya how ikai, kanti go irahalang why like o nyakang mo Thembisa le yena ngwana o le hanagane wa itse nna a ke itse banyana ha ba kgone go botsa dipotso tse di right. You can't be asking, you just don't know how to ask the right questions. Why is he there? Why is he even walking? Okay, maybe he's taking a walk, but koloya how ikai. Anywho, so from there now, when he got to the house, he did explain gore hey wa itse ke bone ngwanyana le upila ene ke nya go mongena, but the problem is ke boletse maka. But no, why we buletse maka? Then he ubulela maka hape. You know, when someone is so used to lying, they lie on top of a lie. Now ubulela maka hape. I don't know, actually ngwana le ke moditse gore no, I don't own all of these things. I was just talking, and which is a lie. Kurunya gore ba tswe ko yena ka speed. Right? Right. Khulubisa was having a conversation with Faith and then unfortunately somebody that got to be eardropping was Usbahle and boy oh boy, when I say the conversation did not sit well with the child, I mean it went south. The child was fuming. It's okay. Kahle wena umthanda ma izinto bozikhuluma lapha yathi ukhuluma say no, you don't take it like that. It's not like I meant it like that. Hayi vele you meant it like that. There's no any other way that you meant it. We meant it like that vele. So this is actually how you feel about her. And then akhona kuyabonisa ukuthi amkhathalele. At least mina ngiyamkhathalela. Only one person uyamkhathalela la endlini and it's me. And if I were to choose between two parents, I would choose Uma. Inhliziyo kaKhulubuse was so broken because he initially wanted them to take a walk. But now that dream just shabalal because the child is not interested because she overheard you promising your is it your newly wedded? No, your soon to be wife, heaven and earth, and said the rest of the people must just butt out. That did not sit well with him. Speaking of sitting well with her, uHezekiel Nkosi yami weje. So after uPinky took ama-grocery wakhe, he is back with a bang and making abantwana ukuthi bahambe bocelana nezimali, and then part of the people lebacele imali in Sandton was uKeletso. Keletso went looking for money. The confidence was on zero. She didn't make a lot of money. She made only 30 rand. Out of the 30 rand, she was then left at Sandton to walk herself back to Tembisa because she did not make enough money. Then she had to call ubabu wakhe ukuthi baba ngicela ungilande because bangishiyile la. The father was not really happy considering it's Hezekiel's things. Now the father came, collected her, and then, well, after that, they had a conversation over food, and then Babuakati, it means that you have to stay away from your boyfriend, because if your boyfriend did not call you and convince you to be joining this, God knows what, you were not going to be in that area, and you were not going to be left alone as a girl child alone in the streets. So this guy means that aganandaba now. So Keletso was just telling the father, no, but he cares about me. He tried speaking on my behalf. It's just that the driver did not want to listen. And I'm like, yeah, it's shubile time. So Ubaba Mulapo says he's going to see Hezekiel, because today he did not find him, so he's going to try everything possible so that he can go and see him. Uzo hunter down, and the problem is now Brakata is out, and him being out, that only means trouble. And I don't know if Isaac knows about it, because it's going to be a shock of a lifetime when he goes and find Ezekiel with Brakata, because Brakata was the one that went to jail and took Brakata out and said the person that Okfagela, who Isaac. Yo, I foresee danger, chaos. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you on my next upload.